Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox Browser on ZTE Blade A71. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here find the Firefox. Now select it and download it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Now we can customize the browser, so pick a different theme. You can choose the toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, click on Start Browsing, and from here you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.